This is the lesson for the Raspberry, not the Raspberry, but the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi lessons that Paul McWhorter is hosting. And here's the code. I identified the pins for the red, green, and the blue, 10, 11, and 12. The red button pins are 5, 6, and 7. And then I defined the new red button state, the old red button state for the red, green, and the blue. Then I set up the baud rate. Then I put in the red LED state equals 1, and I did for the green and the blue. Then I set up a delay time of 50 milliseconds. Down here, I'm setting the pin mode for each one of the pins. For the red pin, LED pin, it'll be an output, and for the red button pin, it'll be an input. Down here in the loop, here's the red LED section. Here's the new red button state is equal to the digital read of the red button pin. That's when you get your new red button state. Okay, and then to compare the old red button state to the new red button state, and let's move this down where you can see it. There you go. Compare it to a new red button state. The old was 0. If the new is 1, then you set the digital write to the red LED pin to high. Then if it's a 0, you set it to high. If it's a 1, you set it to low. And then down here, you keep track of the LED states, or you change the LED states from, if it's a high, it'll go low. If it's a low, it'll go high. Here you've got, you keep a track of the old red button, the old red button state will equal the new red button state, which you just read up here, and it'll become the old red button state. Now, then I have the same thing for the green LED section and a blue LED section. Down here at the very end, I have I have the DT, which is a 50 millisecond delay. It just, anyhow, that completes the software part of it. Now, if I go over to, I got it running all the way because I'm using the Raspberry Pi as a computer, so I don't want to try and reload the thing. It'll take a while. The last video, I ended up spending 2 minutes waiting for it. Anyhow, if you push the red button, you get a red LED on. Then push the red button again, the red LED goes off. And the green button, green comes on, then green goes off. Then blue goes on, then blue goes off. Now if I go blue and red, I get magenta. And if I go green and red, I get somewhat of a yellow. And then if I get, this is cyan, I think. Yeah, I think that's cyan. Anyhow, there's my homework. Have a good one, guys. Bye.